Welcome to summer here at Lichtsinn RV, where we literally are only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. It's here, the all-new 2020 Winnebago Revel 4x4, now on the third generation Mercedes-Benz VS30 chassis. In case you missed it, last week we did a full live interactive presentation where we took all of your questions live. So be sure to check that out in the link below and also in our video library on lichtsinn.com. Also debuting today is the full walkthrough video on the 2020 Winnebago Revel. This new third generation Mercedes-Benz VS30 includes all of the interior aesthetic upgrades modeled after the S-Class luxury Mercedes-Benz coupe. It also includes the cornerstone of Winnebago and Mercedes-Benz safety enhancements, all new for the 2020 Winnebago Revel. As we wrap up the 2019 model year, we have a great opportunity for you to select a 2019 Winnebago Travato or a 2020 Winnebago Travato inbound. And really the simple decision is whether or not you want to pay that price increase for the 2020 model year. The same holds true for the Winnebago View and the Winnebago Navion. We have a few select models of the 24D, 24V, and also 24G in stock, as the 2020 new third generation VS30 versions come later this summer, but albeit with a large price increase of about $13,000. So take this opportunity as we roll out of the 2019 model year and roll into the 2020 model year to save on our existing stock of 2019s. Today is all about solar, and today we're going to cover one of the most common questions that we get here at Lichtsinn RV, which is, how much solar do I want on my RV? And I want to welcome a couple of very special guests with us today. Brian Buffington is our service director here at Lichtsinn RV. He is a master RVDA certified technician and leads our service department. I also want to welcome Luke Halick. Luke is also a certified technician here at Lichtsinn RV, and Luke is really the responsible individual for such a great job of the solar installation that we're going to cover here today.
All right, so what Luke and I are going to show you today is like Ron was saying earlier, an addition that we did to this view for guests that are coming to us from Nevada. Their particular needs were plenty of solar and batteries to be able to stay off grid as long as possible. And today we have a really great example in front of you and in front of us on a system that we did for those folks from Nevada. Luke did an excellent job on doing this, and I'm going to use him a little bit later to kind of explain some more of the technical aspects of this system. What we have here is a coach that has lithium battery upgrades. We have over 600 amp hours of lithium battery in here. Luke has also installed battery monitor, color control monitor, a solar charge controller, and we have 500 watts of solar on the roof. And not to mention a 3,000 watt inverter. And almost a little device that is hidden, we can't show you today, is an easy start on the air conditioner, which I can explain later. But basically this system is capable of running off grid. Luke has this set up right now where we can run the air conditioner for, depending on your sun and your current loads, for hours. I think Luke was where we see when we were out doing some testing.
With full sun power, you get better part of the day, as long as the sun is up.
Yeah, and so a common question I get on the phone is, I want to upgrade solars. I want to stay off the grid, and it really does boil down to how much solar do you need, what kind of a battery bank do you require for your need. And I can really kind of walk through a lot of that stuff with you if you give me a call.
Well, that's a wrap for our newsletter this month. Make sure you check us out on our chat website at lichtsinn.com, or feel free to give us a call with any questions or however we can help at 1-800-343-6255.